Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Anmoldeep Singh from grade 7. Today I am here for Wetland Symposium. We celebrate World Wetland Day on 2nd February every year. We celebrate Wetland Day because on 2nd February 1971 there was intergovernmental meeting in Iran, Ramsar. In that meeting, Ramsar wetland was discovered. Land area covered by water, either temporarily, seasonally, or permanently, is called wetland. In Punjab, there are 5,049 small wetlands and 6 Ramsar wetlands. 6 Ramsar wetlands are Harike wetland, Beas Conservation Reserve wetland, Keshupur Mayani wetland, Nagal wetland, Kanjli wetland, and Ropar wetland. Harike wetland. Harike wetland, also known as Harike Pattan, is the largest wetland in Punjab and second largest wetland in India. It is located at the confluence of two rivers Satluj and Beas in Harike. Every year, migratory birds arrive at Satluj at, Sat, at Harike wetland at the starting of winter season. Some of those birds are yellow-crowned woodpecker, yellow-eyed pigeon, Pallas gull, and etc. Even Indian dolphin are also found in Harike Pattan. Harike wetland is rich in floating vegetation comprising of plant species such as the lotus typha, Iphomoe aquatica, and etc. This wetland spread into three districts of Taran Sahib, Firozpur, and Kapurthala in Punjab and cover an area of 4,100 hectares. Ropar wetland. Ropar wetland, also named Ropar Lake, lies in Rupanagar in Punjab. These, the area has at least 9 mammal, 154 bird migratory and local, 35 fish, 9 arthropod, 11 rotifer, and 10 protozoan species. It was created in 1952 on Satluj River. It covers 1,365 hectares of land surface. Kanjli wetland. It is another wetland in Punjab, located in Kapurthala district. Its water source is Beas River. It covers 490 hectare land surface. There are various types of tree in Kanjli wetland. There are 12 varieties of tree recorded in this wetland. Some of them are Arabica, Morus alba, and etc. There are 17 fish species reported, which include the common species of Catla, Citratus, and etc. The tortoise is also common reptile reported in the area. There are 28 resident bird species and 9 migratory species. The migratory birds are goose, pintail, shoveler, and etc. When Ramsar wetland was discovered, some rules were made to protect these Ramsar wetlands. Those rules were that nobody can cut tree in Ramsar wetland, no one can build any factory or expand any factory if it is already built in that area. People cannot throw garbage in these wetlands. If there is and hunting is also not allowed in Ramsar wetlands. Wetland help us in maintaining ecosystem and it also help in controlling flood. These wetlands also help in maintaining groundwater in an area. Wetlands are nature gift and we should protect them. Thanks.